In this video, I'll show you how to enable and use the text call feature on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, S26, or any latest Samsung device. This feature lets you answer calls without speaking out loud, which is super useful if you're in a meeting, at work, or in a quiet place. With Text Call, a voice assistant will talk to the caller on your behalf and ask why they're calling. You'll see the response in real time as text on your screen. Then you can simply type or tap a reply, and it will be read aloud to the caller. How to enable Text Call any Samsung phone. Open the phone app. Tap the three dots in the top corner. Select Settings. Tap on Text Call. Turn the feature on. Tap on Language and select your preferred language. If it's not downloaded yet, go ahead and download it. You can also see a voice and adjust the speech rate. Make it slower or faster based on your preference. How to use Text Call on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Once everything is set up, just make a call. Now call your friends or anyone in your contact list. On the incoming call screen, you'll see the Galaxy AI icon. Tap on it. Tap Text Call. Now the assistant will start talking to the caller. You'll see their responses as text on your screen. From here, you can reply by typing or selecting quick responses, and your message will be spoken to the caller automatically. To switch to a voice call, tap the button on the left side of the caller's name. That's it. This is how you can easily use Text Call on your Samsung Galaxy device.